Only people who get it are the people who get it. In today's world, financial empowerment is a goal many of us strive for. We all want to feel in control of our finances, make smart decisions, and ultimately build wealth for a more secure future. At Get It, we're dedicated to helping you achieve financial success and personal empowerment. That's why we've put together this guide with 5 essential steps to get you on the path to financial empowerment. The first step towards financial empowerment is setting clear and achievable financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business, having specific goals will give you direction and motivation. Number 2. Create a budget. Budgeting is the foundation of financial empowerment. It allows you to track your income, expenses, and savings. Knowing where your money goes is essential for making informed financial decisions. Consider using apps or tools to help you manage your budget effectively. Number 3. Invest wisely. Investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. Explore different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate, and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Get It believes that investing in your future is a key step toward financial empowerment. Number 4. Build an emergency fund. Financial security often starts with having a safety net. Create an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Having this cushion will help you avoid going into debt when life throws you a curveball. Number 5. Educate yourself continuously. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finances. Stay informed about personal finance topics, read books, follow financial blogs, and watch educational videos. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. At Get It, we're here to support your journey to financial empowerment. Our collection of clothing and accessories is designed to inspire confidence and empower you to reach your goals. We believe that being financially savvy and stylish go hand in hand. Join us on this exciting path to financial empowerment and remember that small steps today can lead to significant financial gains tomorrow. Together, we can build a brighter and more secure future. Stay tuned for more financial tips, fashion inspiration, and empowering content from Get It. Follow us on our social media channels and stay connected with our community of like-minded individuals who are committed to achieving financial success and personal growth. Thanks for watching.